friends, this is Satish Valiveti and welcome back to Advanced Minds. Hope you enjoyed my previous videos. If you haven't seen them yet, friends, kindly click on the link above to watch them. Friends, today we'll look at an amazing story of a girl who inspired the world. In 1983, friends, Jessica Cox was born without arms due to a rare birth defect. But you'll be surprised to know that Cox achieved more than most people do in a lifetime. She graduated from the University of Arizona in 2005 with a bachelor's degree in psychology. Though she doesn't have arms, she can drive a car, she plays piano, and she's the first armless black belt in the American Taekwondo Association. She's also a certified scuba diver. And the best of all, friends, Jessica Cox is the world's first licensed armless pilot. Her achievement earned her a Guinness World Record medal. Today, Cox works as a motivational speaker and has shared her message in 20 different countries. She also published her self-help book, Disarm Your Limits. Definitely a must-read book for inspiration. When she was interviewed many a times and was asked how she managed to achieve such impossible dreams, she said, "I dissected it to one thing at a time and built on that until I was successful." No wonder, friends, Jessica Cox is an absolute inspiration for the entire world with her non-stop achievements. Here are some quick lessons we all can learn from Jessica's inspiring life. Face your fears. Be persistent in life. Be willing to try something new. And tell your kids they can do anything. And remember, my friends, human spirit is powerful. If we can portray at least 10% of Jessica's commitment, our life accelerates to a whole new possibility, my friends. I wish you live a life of inspiration and make your dreams come true. Thank you, Jessica, for being an inspiration to all of us. See you again very soon, my friends, in my next video. Till then, have a great life ahead. Thank you.